Thank you po for that wonderful question. In my opinion, syempre a lot of people have wronged me been in the past, kaso I've never wanted to seek revenge. Because I believe in karma, you know? So kung masama ka, kakarmahin ka in the end. Usually, you dig your own grave, so pabayaan ko lang sila if, you know, in showbiz industry, may mga nagbubully. I've experienced that, so yun. So siguro the only revenge I could do, like actively, is to be successful and yun yung magiging revenge for them.
Who's next? Ako naman. Ayun sa akin, siguro sa dami nung parang sa ngayon na-realize ko, wala rin naman mapupuntahan yung paghihiganti mo eh. So like for me, ipag-pray mo na lang, and it's part of life and it's a learning experience. So, bawat pagluhod mo sa lupa, ang importante, bumangon ka ulit. Diba? At ipaglaban mo yung mga kinakailangan ipaglaban. Yun. At syempre pa, huwag kang makakalimot na pag lumuhod ka minsan sa lupa, eh lumuluhod ka sa pagdarasal. Kaya, pasasalamat. Diba? See?
I personally hindi ako naniniwala sa vengeance because I think that vengeance is a product of something of hate. Alam ko na sometimes yung mundo may nangyayari, ikaw yung nasasaktan. Pero the truth is, feeling mo lang yun eh. It's really your ego that gets in the way. Kala mo na isaan ka. But like what Phoebe said, which I believe completely, if you want to show them up, para pakita sa kanila na you be the best that you can be, the best version. Because pag vengeance kasi parang dala-dala mo yun ever since whatever that point, binago na ka ng tao na yun. You're no longer yourself. You've been changed. I cannot live that way. Yeah, I'd rather be the best that I could be. Leave them all on the ground.
Okay, Mark. Tungkol sa revenge, no?
Yes, okay.
Ako po, tingin ko, yung initial reaction, normal lang na may makaramdam ka ng gustong gumante. Pero tingin ko mas tama na magtignan mo ng 10 times bago ka gumante. Mas tama yung mag-consume sa'yo yung hindi ka gumante. Kaysa yung makonsumo ka na mahigop ka nung gaganti ka. Parang gano'n.
Sa reality.
Like Phoebe, kung ano yung sinabi ni Phoebe about karma, I believe in karma. For me personally, I think there's nothing more expensive than peace. And we can't get peace if we seek revenge. There's power in prayer, like what Tito Cupcake said. And there's a certain feeling na hindi mo makukuha by protecting your peace. And again, you don't get that by seeking revenge.
Sa tingin ko kasama sa takbo ng buhay ang revenge or pero through the course of life mawawala na yun sa pagkatanda mo. So I guess it's maturity too. So it's natural to feel that you wanna take revenge, pero the more that you grow up and the more na naiintindihan mo yung mga bagay-bagay sa mundo natin, that's the maturity and I guess taking the high road.